Welcome to our video on the principles of marketing. Whether you're a student beginning your journey, a professional refining strategies, or an entrepreneur innovating, understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial. Marketing is the lifeblood of any thriving business, intricately woven into strategy and growth. We'll explore foundational principles like the marketing mix, market research, and consumer behavior. These concepts are practical tools to develop compelling strategies. Throughout this series, we'll simplify complex ideas to ensure you build a robust understanding. By the end, you'll be empowered to create impactful campaigns. Let's start with an overview of marketing and its indispensable role in success. You'll see how each principle interconnects to create a cohesive strategy. Welcome to our exploration of the marketing mix, one of the foundational concepts in marketing. The marketing mix consists of four key elements, often referred to as the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. The marketing mix is a strategic tool used by marketers to determine the right mix of elements to effectively market a product. Each P represents a crucial component that works together to develop a successful strategy. First, product represents what you're offering to your target market. It could be a tangible good, an intangible service, or a combination. Next, price involves setting the right price point, considering factors like costs, competition, and perceived value. Place refers to how your product reaches your customers, ensuring it's available in the right locations, whether physical stores or online. Finally, promotion includes all activities to make your product known, like advertising, sales promotions, and public relations. These four elements, product, price, place, and promotion, must be balanced carefully to create an effective marketing strategy. As we continue, you'll see how these components come together in real-world examples and learn how to apply them in your own efforts. The first P in the marketing mix is product. This encompasses what you're offering, whether it's a tangible good or an intangible service. A successful product strategy starts with identifying the needs and desires of your target market, creating a product that exceeds these needs and provides real value. Strategies might include innovation, quality enhancement, or tailoring features to specific segments. Consider companies like Apple, which continually innovate to maintain a competitive edge. Understanding your audience is key. A well-designed product sets the stage for overall marketing success. As we continue, you'll see how the other PS, price, place, and promotion, work in harmony to build a robust strategy. Welcome back. Now, let's explore the second P in the marketing mix: price. Price is more than just a number. It's a strategic decision influencing your entire business landscape. Determining the right price involves various strategies, such as cost-plus pricing and competitive pricing. These strategies influence consumer behavior, brand perception, and profitability. The right pricing approach is crucial for any successful marketing strategy. As we move forward, you'll see how mastering pricing is vital to your overall success. The third P in the marketing mix is place. This refers to how your product is distributed and where it is sold. Effective distribution channels ensure your product reaches the target market efficiently. Place isn't just about physical locations, it includes the entire logistics of delivering value. Selecting the right venues, both online and offline, that align with your audience's preferences is crucial. Effective distribution means being where your customers are, ensuring convenience and accessibility. This strategic placement drives customer satisfaction and business success. As we move forward, you'll see how mastering this principle solidifies your overall strategy. The fourth P is promotion. This involves activities to make your product known to your target market, including advertising, sales promotions, public relations, and personal selling. These activities aim to create awareness, generate interest, and drive sales. Advertising can be through digital platforms, print media, or television. Sales promotions might include discounts or special offers. Public relations build a positive image, while personal selling involves direct interaction to persuade purchases. Each strategy is crucial in a comprehensive plan, making your product stand out. As we continue, you'll see how market research tailors these strategies to your audience's needs and preferences. Market research is essential to any marketing strategy, involving data collection about your target market to understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This information enables informed decisions about your product, pricing, place, and promotion strategies. Essentially, market research systematically collects and analyzes data related to your audience, including demographics, psychographics, and purchasing behavior. Methods include surveys, focus groups, observational research, and social media analysis. Understanding consumer needs is paramount. By knowing what your audience wants, you can tailor product development, marketing messages, and distribution channels accordingly, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Market research helps you stay competitive by tracking market trends and consumer preferences, allowing quick adaptation to changing conditions. Proactive market research transforms data into actionable insights, empowering you to make strategic decisions confidently. As we move forward, you'll see how these insights enhance understanding consumer behavior and formulating comprehensive strategies. Every step with informed insights is a stride towards effective marketing and business success. Consumer behavior is at the heart of effective marketing. It refers to the actions and decision-making processes of buyers as they select, purchase, use, or dispose of products or services. Understanding these behaviors helps marketers craft strategies that resonate more deeply with their audience. Several factors play pivotal roles in influencing consumer behavior. These include psychological aspects like motivation, perception, learning, and beliefs. Social influences such as family, friends, and cultural impacts are significant, along with personal factors like age, occupation, lifestyle, and economic situation. Grasping these influences offers valuable insights. For example, recognizing the importance of social proof might lead a marketer to leverage testimonials and social media influencers to build trust and engagement. Understanding motivations can guide targeted messaging for different segments. Analyzing behavior through data reveals patterns that help anticipate future actions, allowing businesses to stay ahead by adapting strategies. Segmenting your audience based on behavior helps create personalized and impactful experiences, boosting satisfaction, loyalty, and conversion rates. As we move forward, you'll see how these concepts integrate into comprehensive strategies, transforming marketing from random to precise and impactful. Next, we'll address common challenges with actionable solutions. Stay with us as we continue to unlock marketing secrets. Marketing is not without its challenges. From understanding your audience to standing out in a crowded market, obstacles abound. Identifying and connecting with your target market is essential. Differentiation in a sea of similar products is a significant challenge. Innovative strategies and unique value propositions can make a difference. Budget constraints require effective resource allocation to maximize impact. Staying current with digital marketing trends and technologies is crucial for competitiveness. Solutions include thorough market research to understand your audience, creating a unique brand story, and staying agile to adapt to changing landscapes. As we continue, you'll see real-world examples demonstrating how these solutions lead to successful outcomes. We've covered a lot of ground in this video. From the marketing mix and market research to consumer behavior, these principles are the foundation of effective marketing. Each concept plays a crucial role in building successful strategies. The key to success is not just understanding these ideas, but actively applying them. Whether crafting the perfect product, setting the right price, choosing the best place, or promoting effectively, these principles guide every decision. Now, take these insights and implement them. Identify opportunities, address challenges, and let these concepts drive your success. Thank you for joining us, and happy marketing.